Hello, this is Vepa from vepa.com. In this video we will discuss how to optimize our 404 pages. Every website over the time will have some page not found error, which is known as 404 page. How to deal with it? Should we show helpful 404 page or should we redirect it to other places? Let's see. Now let's find this 404 pages. Here is the SEO action plan for 404 pages. It will help us to find important pages with lots of backlinks and with real helpful content that is aligned with our current site niche. We will find related pages on our website and redirect those pages there. Other 404 pages are not important, so we will show helpful 404 page for them. Also, you will find lots of 404 pages which is auto-generated. They are not related to our website. They are probably spam URLs, and we should always show regular 404 page to them because search engines should know that those pages are not related to our website in any way. We're gonna use several tools to find 404 pages. First one is WordPress plugin called Redirections. It's found in Tools, Redirections, and when it's opened, click on 404s tab, and here you will see 404 pages in our WordPress. That's detected with our WordPress. And when we click on it, we can see that it's real 404 page, and with search box, it's like depending on your WordPress theme, you will get some helpful 404 page. So now let's go back and group 404 pages by URL. So this will shrink down list and show unique URLs, and here you will see that lots of URLs are not related to our website. We're gonna go through the list and take note of important URLs that has some relation to our website. Second tool to find 404 pages is Google Search Console. We have two options to find 404 pages here. First one is in Pages Report, Indexing Report. Click on Report and scroll down to see Not Found 404 pages report. Click on it and you will see 404 pages. This is from the URLs from your own website or from external website. These pages were indexed some time ago, so Google reports them as not found. So you can check those URLs and see which error page it shows now. So as you can see, this page is not handled by WordPress and it shows regular blank 404 page by nginx, which is not useful. And second place to look for 404 pages is in settings and scroll down to see crawl stats, and from this page also scroll down and see not found. So this is crawler tried to crawl those URLs, and we have more than 200 pages here, and it's all sorts of URLs, not only pages, like images and downloadable files or any URL which is not found. From this list also take note of important 404 pages which we will redirect later. Last tool to find important 404 pages is checking backlinks. We're gonna use Ahrefs backlink checker, and when type in domain and search for backlinks, then scroll through backlinks and find pages that end with 404 page. Pages with backlinks is important because they have already some authority and some built backlinks. So we should redirect them to related content on our website. For example, here we find a zip file, link to zip file. We can redirect that to project page and so on. Take note of important pages. This tool allows to find 100 backlinks for free. After finding and taking note of all important 404 pages, find related content on your website. For example, I found lots of old URLs to my projects, so I will update and redirect them to new URLs. Now let's redirect all the 404 pages. Go to Redirections plugin and click on Add New button. Provide source URL and target URL. You can type in source path and target path there and click Add Redirect button. All redirects will be 3 or 1 redirect. You can also add redirect using 404 tab. In related 404 page, click on Add Redirect link and provide destination target URL. You can select group if you want and click Add Redirect button. You will notice that not all 404 pages is handled by WordPress, so you will see ugly page like this, which is not useful at all. And depending on your server, generally images, some downloadable files and PHP files are not handled by WordPress. So we need to go to Redirections plugin and into Import and Export tab and export our rules for nginx. This is our server. So in rules, copy lines related that you want to add to nginx and then go to nginx config file and paste rules that you want that is not handled by WordPress. So now all URLs will be redirected to correct pages. Updating your server config files is not safe. You can by mistake break some rules and your server will not work. So if you are not comfortable with it, hire some developer or ask your host to add some redirect rules. 404 pages that are not handled by WordPress should show regular WordPress 404. So it's helpful, it's with search box and other links. So navigate to any 404 page within your WordPress and make sure that you are logged out. Then press Ctrl U to view source code of the page. Select all and copy the code. Now we're gonna create a new file in our server. Let's call it _404 HTML and paste that code we copied there. And in nginx config file we can add error page code here. Make sure to save config file and restart your server. Now we will see beautiful, helpful 404 page instead of blank 404 page. If you prefer written tutorial, then you can follow the link in our description. In this tutorial we discussed how to redirect our powerful 404 pages and how to show helpful 404 page that's not handled by WordPress. I hope you liked this tutorial. If you want to see more tutorials, visit our website. If you have questions, leave them in comments.